If you are looking for solutions to convert MBOX to EML or Windows Live Mail on Mac, then you can use the MacSonik MBOX Converter. It allows the users to convert the MBOX file to EML with attachments and maintain the data integrity on a Mac device. It supports all versions of Mac operating system Mac OS 10.8, 10.9, and above versions and runs successfully. Install and run MacSonik MBOX Converter. Choose single file or multiple file options. Now, click on the Browse button to select MBOX file and open. After that, click on the Next button, then it displays the MBOX mailbox items in a tree structure. Now, double-click on the folder and select the files to view the email and its attachments. Tick the tree structure folder and click on the Next button to proceed further. In the next screen, choose the EML file from the drop-down as an output file. Check the Remove Duplicate Emails to eliminate the identical files. Click on Save in the Same Folder feature to save the MBOX file in the same folder. Select the option to migrate or backup emails without attachments files. Check the Mail Filter option to export or convert the particular date range file. Click on the Custom Name folder option to save the MBOX file with its custom name. After that, click on the Path to Save button and choose the saving path, then click on the OK button. Now, click on the Convert button and start the MBOX to EML conversion process. After the conversion process, your resultant file is saved at the user-defined path. Thanks for watching. We hope you like the video and please, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also follow us on social media pages.